Yeah, so we're on this Q7, we're looking at battery drain. We've currently got it on the 120 amp Topdon battery support unit. Everything, all the doors are locked and latched over, but as you can hear, can you hear what I'm pointing at? And what we've got here, we've just got going into the feed here on this actuator, and we can see on the voltmeter, the power's actually cycling on and off. Yeah, so the vehicle's fully asleep, the hazard warning switch is not illuminated, there's no scan tool plugged into it, and yet one of the relays are powering on and powering off the engine ECU. So we've got the HELLA wiring diagrams up here. This is the turbo actuator here, that's also making a funny noise. Another actuator there, and the feeds, they're actually shared, they actually come in from the engine ECU provides the feeds for it. So we're following the wiring diagrams through, and we're going to try and find out why it's powering on and off, where the water is, because that's what it'll be. If we find a goldfish, we'll find the fault. Green Crusties coming your way, Dave Gore. Thanks for watching, you're awesome.